In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Prodirectsoccer discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Prodirectsoccer discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discount. So if you want to take this one with a 20% discount off your order, tap right here where it says show coupon code, and this is a promo code that you can copy from this button and you can apply it on your next order to get a 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search, you have this website which is called Simply Codes, and right here we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some benefits. So if you want to get this one with a 25% discount right here, simply select the button where it says view code, and this is the promo code. You can tap on this button to copy it, and you can apply this promo code on your next order to get a 25% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.